Okay, so this is the third part of our branch and leaf tutorial for games. We'll create a mesh for our leaf texture. We create a simple plane, and we will set this to 20 by 20 and rotate this 90 degrees. Okay, like that. We go to front view, and then go to window, render editors, and hypershade. Okay, now on our Lambert tutorial, Lambert material, we will apply our texture to the color channel. Select 2D and file. Okay. From the file, we will select our test. Texture. Okay. Okay, so there we go. And then select the mesh and hit right click and assign select object. Let's see, assign initializes set group to this material. Okay, and hit 6, and there we go. Now this is our plane with a texture. Now the idea is that we will try to make this plane as close to the texture, the outer part of our branch as possible, because of the render space. So this, therefore, we will go to let's see. Well, in order to do this, I'm guessing that we will need additional shape here. So I'm going to go to edit mesh and interactive split tool, and we will split this in this corner. Hit enter, something like that. Okay, go to vertex, and let's move these vertices. Okay, so we'll move this here. We will need additional splitting. Another split. And that's it. Now edit UVs. Select UVs. Let's place this in the middle. And let's see how we can fix this. Okay, so the idea is to make this as close as possible, to incorporate the whole texture, but use as few texture space as we can. I'm going to move this vertex in the middle, somewhere here. We'll try to not squeeze the texture. Okay, so something like that. Right. Now let's go to perspective mode. And make a few bands. We remove this vertex, like so. This one. Well, it looks pretty okay. Now let's export this selection. Hold on a second, we'll go some cleaning. First off, go to front, hit insert, and move the pivot to the base. Hit insert again. Now we'll move this up and set the whole thing to where are you? So we're going to freeze transformation. Go to move all this shape in the origin. Okay. Now freeze again. Go to edit. Delete all by type history. And everything looks okay. Now we can export. Export selection. Use FBX. Format. Branches, and let's create another one, branch 1, and test, export. Now sometimes it could happen that only one face will be visible in the game engine, so to solve this problem, we will duplicate this mesh, Control D to duplicate the mesh, then go to normals and reverse normals. Now this way we will practically create the two planes with different normal directions. We select both two meshes, we make sure in hypergraph we really selected those two meshes, and then go to mesh combine. Okay, now we can also freeze transformation and delete all by type history. Export it again, and let's see how it looks. Okay, so this is our tree test with the leaves and the meshes created. Okay, so that's it.